Hey guys, it's Shanika back with another video. So I'm here. I just wanted to make this video super quick. Today we're gonna talk about my vinyl cut labels. So that video on my channel has blown up. It has almost 8,000 views at the moment. I have a lot of comments under that video, basically inquiring about what kind of labels I use. Where did I buy them? Where can other people buy them? What size, what font, all of that. So with that being said, I don't know why it took so long to come on here and like film a video. It just never really occurred to me until almost a year later, since I posted that video. But regardless, I think it's great content for my channel, and I think people want to see this, and I'm still getting questions, so I might as well just make a video regardless if it's a year later. So this is just a follow-up video to that video. So I'm going to quickly show you guys my labels. I have a cosmetic brand called Alana Allure Cosmetics. So I sell lip glosses and lashes, and for me, it's really important when it comes to presentation and marketing, and essentially your labels are a huge part of your branding. And so for me, having something that stands out on my products is what is necessary. And I think for all business, anyone who's selling a product, or if they have a business, this is something that they might want to look into. So here is my labels. I'll show you how it looks on the actual product if I have any. Okay, so yeah. So this is a lip gloss that I have. I hope you guys can see it. I'll insert pictures if I can. It might be hard to see because of the lighting and the glare right now. There's a glare on my glasses, so there might be glare on the product, but... And here's another example. So this is two of my lip glosses. This is a brown lip gloss, this is a clear lip gloss, and they have two different logos. I did change my logo, that's why one is white and one is pink. So that's just it. So this is the pink one. This is how they come. So these are vinyl cut labels. So vinyl cut labels, essentially it's almost like a sticker, but the vinyl basically transfers easily onto your product, and it has like such a nice professional finish. It's not just like a peel-on sticker. This is more, to me, this is a little bit more expensive, obviously, but the finished product is a lot more polished, and essentially it gives a more polished look to your products, right? And so if you're looking for that, this is a good alternative rather than private labeling. Because like, let's say you were to try to talk to your manufacturer and get like your logo imprinted on your products, that's going to cost you a lot. That's what they call private labeling. So this is a great alternative. It's a great inexpensive alternative, and you can do it at home. Like, I paid for these to come in the mail, so I have these. I ordered them, and I just cut them, and I rub them to help the vinyl transfer. I have a video. I'll put it in the link I'll put it in the description box, or link it above. But essentially, yeah, and you basically transfer this label onto the product. So I won't talk too much about how to put it on, but I do want to talk about essentially, if you want to buy this, what you need to look for and what you need to order. So you can go on Instagram and you can type in vinyl cut labels, hashtag vinyl cut labels. I'll type it in right now. Cut labels. Best way is to search up vinyl cut labels in your area. Like, just type in vinyl cut labels into Instagram, hashtag vinyl cut labels, and see what pops up. Look to see if they're in your area. If they're not in your area, then maybe you have to pay for shipping. The other good way to do it is through Etsy. So I'm trying to pull up the website Etsy. My computer is very slow right now, but okay. So I just typed in vinyl stickers and all these brands popped up. All these options popped up. So let's say you want something that looks like this. These are people's names, but the idea is the same. And so that's how you basically find a good person to make these vinyl labels. So I'm gonna search again on Etsy, and I'm gonna write vinyl labels. I feel like Etsy is really good. Okay, so again, vinyl labels. You see custom text decal. Choose your font, color, size. So literally, and they show examples of how it would look like. Right, and then there's reviews. So there's a whole bunch of options that you can go look through. I highly recommend doing your research. My person is local and I found them through Instagram. I just gave you guys advice on how to search through that. But essentially, so if we're talking about lip glosses, I'm going to go back to my invoice when I had ordered. So label invoice, no. Okay, so like the average size of a lip gloss. So okay, hold on. So okay, I'll explain it from the top. So when you find your person that's when you're gonna purchase this through, whether it's from Etsy or Instagram, and mind you, these people are business. This is their business as well. They make these labels and then they sell it. So sometimes they have a deal, like you can get 50 labels for, I don't know, $30 or whatever the price may be. But just know that it's their business, so you're basically purchasing labels from them. So when I did mine, there was a couple questions that they had asked. They asked me obviously for my name, my address, my information, email, but they asked me how much labels I wanted. I ordered 50 at the time. The type of label, I ordered vinyl, single color. So this was for the white labels. This was a single color. And if you order a vinyl label that has 2 different colors, like this is more than one color, depending, it will cost more depending on what you want. So just keep that in mind. If you want 3 different colors, there might be a higher price. So the first time I ordered, it was the all white. So it was single color white. And then in terms of the size, so the size of my label, it was 2 inches. That's the length. And the width was about like ½ inch. So it was 0.5. So 2 inch or 0.5 by 2 inches, if you get what I'm saying. So that was it. And I provided the color, as I said, white, and I explained what it was for lip glosses. And so that's how I inputted my inquiry by listing that information. And then the person got back to me and we kind of went back and forth. So usually what they do is they make a sample size, or not a sample size, they make a sample with what you want. Let's say, oh, the other thing that I forgot to mention is that obviously this is my logo. So you send them a picture of your logo, or you just send them a picture or tell them the font that you want. Send them a picture of the font that you want. Most people just have a logo that they go off of, and that's how your label essentially gets made. So yeah, most likely they will make a sample. They should make a sample for you, send you the sample, or not send you the sample. They might send a picture of the sample to you for you to approve. If there's any issues, then you basically tell them they should change it. If no issues, then they proceed and they should create all of your labels and send you the end product. But that's essentially how it works. I hope that was clear. I don't remember. I think somebody asked me what font I use for my labels. I don't remember. If I can try to find. Okay, give me 1 second. I don't remember. Let me see. I actually don't remember. I think the first time I ordered from them, I already seen like a sample that they had on their website, and I was just like, I like that. Can I have that as my I was like, can I have that as my what's it called, font? Yeah, I actually can't remember the font. I really apologize. I don't know why I can't remember the font. I can't remember the font. I think it's the font of my logo is made out of. I think I probably told them those fonts, but I honestly cannot remember. And yeah, feel free to leave a comment if you have any more questions. I'll try my best to answer it. Yeah, that's all I have to say. But it's very easy to find custom labels. You just gotta keep doing your research. Like if you want like stickers, let me show you an example. If you guys want stickers, so these are my lashes that I have. If you guys want stickers to put on your products, you do the same process. You can go on Etsy, you can go on Instagram and put stickers, like DIY, or not DIY stickers, but you can just type in sticker, I don't know. Like just try to find it. I think on Etsy you can buy stickers, personalized stickers, sorry, that's what it's called. Personalized stickers, and you basically send the person your logo and they create the sticker, and this is to the size. I think this is a 1/2 inch circle, like diameter wise is 1/2 inch. I believe so. But just make sure you measure your products before you just order and get the wrong size. That would be my best advice. And yeah, other than that, it's very simple on how to find and make labels. Yeah, I didn't make them myself. I just ordered them and then I put it together on my product. So that's how it works. But okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I will post more videos. I'll try to post more different type of content. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see regarding business life or just personal life or anything. Give me some ideas so I can come to you guys with more content. Anyways, that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.